is a loss of 20.25. Because 20% increase 4987, you will get approximately 5,997. That is almost equivalent to 6,000. So look it over here. Now if you add 20.25 in 490, you will get 6,000. That is the original amount of bonus on your policies earning 1 lakh. 1012 is going out of your policy account by way of taxes. By not declaring the bonus under table number 165, LIC is likely to save this amount of 1012, which will most probably be passed on to the policy holder having the Jeevan Saral policy. So now we define a factor of 20.25%. So how to calculate the loyalty of Jeevan Saral? The loyalty of Jeevan Saral will be guaranteed 20.25% higher than the bonus of plan number 14. Why? Because that is a loss to the customer which is going into the customer's kitty. Now suppose if you want to calculate 25 years of loyalty, you want to know how much loyalty will be given to the customer after the 25 years. What you are supposed to do? Take 1425. Take 1425. What is the bonus in 1425? 48 rupees. Let's say 50 rupees for you to understand calculations. Suppose 1425 bonus is 50 rupees. So now, what is the loyalty of Jeevan Saral? 20% higher than 50 rupees. That is 60 rupees for 25 years. Multiply and give it to your customer. The Jeevan Saral loyalty will be 20.25% higher than the bonus of a traditional plan. So you are giving 20% higher return to the customer on a traditional plan. So it becomes much more better than a normal traditional plan. Plus, you can surrender this policy any point of time. You can reduce the premium, you can surrender this policy. So it is giving you a flexibility of a ULIP plan at a cost of a traditional plan. And let me show you over here a simple calculation of table number 14 plus table number 165. Suppose a 35-year-old man, he is paying 12,000 premium for 35 years. We are keeping the premium constant because you cannot compare the sum assured. So you pay 12,000 in 14 number, you pay 12,000 in Jeevan Saral. For how many years? 35 years. Now let us understand 1435. If you take 1435 in 12,000, what is your sum assured? 3,90,000. In 12,000 for age 35, you will get 3,90,000. Now in 35 years, if you take up the bonus plus final addition bonus, that is what you are going to get at the maturity. So 3,90,000 plus 1,396 as the bonus plus FAB. What is your total amount of maturity? 17,86,200. Now, with the 12,000 rupees, why we are taking sum assured? Because 390 is guaranteed at maturity. 390 is guaranteed at the time of maturity. Now, in Jeevan Saral, there is no sum assured. But we have called as maturity sum assured, which is guaranteed after 35 years. So, for a 35 age, if you look into the table, for a 35 age, for a 35-year term, what is guaranteed maturity? 4,58,000. So if you look at Jeevan Saral and 14 number plan, here it was 390, but here it is 4,58,000. So your sum assured is more than what you would have got under a traditional 14 number plan. Plus your loyalty is going to be 20% higher than the bonus of endowment. So that is around 16,27,000. So what is the total maturity amount? 20 lakhs. And what is the maturity amount over here? 17 lakh. So here you see, by applying this